This is Sean from Ashcat Laser. This is a quick demo to show you how to assemble the modern / craftsman plant stand or hanger. You can see the parts that are here. You have the main frame, you have the hexagonal interior support, you have the circular bases, and then you have the lifters for the base if you're using a small plant, and I can show you that later. So the main part of the assembly is the main frame, and you can see that one of them will have a locking joint at the bottom and the other one is solid. So I'm right-handed, so this is easier for me to have this piece in my left hand and this one in my right, and all you need to do is slip the solid piece in between the two, and then you're going to turn it 90 degrees, and then you're going to have to kind of wiggle it around a little bit to try to get the top and the bottom to join up at the same time. And have a little bit of patience and a little bit of finagling, you should be able to get the two to marry up fairly easily. If it's easier for you, I know it is for me, to try to hold it straight up and down and then let the two pieces kind of slide into each other. Let gravity kind of help you out there. So just kind of, again, marry up the two pieces together and line them up the notches top and bottom right here, and they lock into each other. Then for the standard 4-inch plant frame, you'll need to use the larger or narrower of the two hexagons, and this will only go on one way. It won't line up properly in one direction or the other, so if you have difficulty in one direction, go ahead and spin it around and try it in the other. And that just goes on the pegs that are extended from the main frame itself, and those just slide right onto either of these notches here. And again, if it doesn't work one way, go ahead and turn it the other. Then for the base, you can use the large base to put your plant onto. You can use the small base for a smaller, narrower diameter plant, and then use the smaller diameter hexagon just to kind of fill up that gap in between the plant and the main frame. And if you need to raise your plant up, so if your plant is very shallow, you can raise this base up and down by using these lifters right here. So I'm going to show you how that looks. We're going to disassemble this really quick. And go ahead and put these little risers into the base, like so. And then these will line up. Oops, a little technical difficulty here. These will line right up to the base. So I can try to picture it here. And again, a little bit of wiggling, a little bit of finagling. You should be able to get it to line up pretty good, like so. That way, when you use this frame, it raises that plant up so it's up higher. Okay, any questions, please feel free to email me. It's ashcat.laser@gmail.com. One thing I did forget to mention is that if you put the hexagons in reverse order so that you have like a little lip inside of here, you can use the large circle and put it in there, and then you can raise up even smaller plants up, or if you wanted to put multiple plants, small succulents, that kind of thing on the top of here, you can. Forgot to mention that, but just another added feature.